Mhm.
Mm.
Hi, we are Team 29. Our project name is Security Camera Motion Detector. So, our project idea is that we wanted to create a project that would provide security for people's valuable. In this project, we set up a security camera that takes a picture whenever it detects any movement of an object, and then it will notify the user that someone has entered that distance. These can be used in places like home doors and lockers. Uh, and then how this works is that when the ultrasonic sensor detects any movement, the buzzer will go off and the LED light will go up. The photoresistor will trigger the phone's camera to take a picture as it receives light from the LED. Now we will show the demo for email notification.
Hello, I will be giving the demo of the motion sensor detecting the motion and sending the email. As we see, there are no emails right over there, and it's right now 9:03. We will run the program, run the module. Okay, and a new window pops up, and as soon as there's any motion right in front of the sensor, the LEDs goes off and the buzzer start buzzing, and we see there's an email was sent to our email address, and we will check our email, and it says yes, there was a email received at 9:03. We will open the email, and it says there was some motion detected at the area, and please check the picture.
Okay. Now this is the second demo, which will capture the picture. Here we go. So this is the second demo, which will capture picture from the camera. So basically, when ultrasonic detects any movement, it will send a signal to the LED, which will light up, and from the light, the photoresistor will trigger the wire to take a picture, which is connected to the phone. So here we go. The LED light should go up any second now. And here we go. And the picture's taken. Okay.
Okay, the project was divided into two parts. The first part was all the input devices, and the other was the output devices. The input devices consisted of the ultrasonic sensor and the photoresistor. The output devices consisted of the camera, which will take the picture and display it, email notification, which will notify the user, the buzzer, which will buzz and also notify the user, and LED, which will help the photoresistor to take picture and also notify the user.
Then for this project, we use serial communication. The two Arduinos used in this project communicate via serial communication. One Arduino would detect the motion. It will send the signal to the second Arduino to light up the LED. From the light of the LED, the photoresistor will change its resistance to trigger the phone to capture the camera. We used Pi serial in this project. When motion is detected, the Python module will send an email to the user via Wi-Fi. We worked on two different sets of code, one for the Arduino and the other for idle to send the email. For this project, we implemented our work on sending the email notification without any use of Bluetooth. To capture a picture from camera, we had to reverse engineer our way to find a trigger, so we used the wired selfie stick and its chip. We also set the time frame for the notifications, motion sensor using ultrasonic sensor, and controlling the detection of any motion. And then we added features for LED light and buzzer, which would be an alarm that goes off in case any intruder enters.
The thing we are most proud about is the email notification, as it works seamlessly. Since our Arduino were not Wi-Fi capable, we had to we found and use Python to send email notification. The things not it was not all honey and rainbows. We've faced a lot of problems while working on the project. For instance, we had to make sure that the camera was triggered to take a picture. We faced this issue because we had limited resources. We did not had enough we did not had any external Bluetooth devices that could trigger the camera to take the pictures. We resolved this by using a wired selfie stick, more specifically the chip inside it, so it can trigger the camera to take the picture. Generally saying, everything in our project worked expectedly, but we believe that there's more room for improvement.
So for this project, we divided our work into two phases. Phase one would be setting up the camera trigger, and phase two would be setting up the email alerts. And then as we worked on it, we had to break it down. We first made sure that the sensor would work, the LED light would work, and the buzzer would work. These were the main stuff. These were not these were also important stuff, but these were easier to handle, so we worked on that. And then we proceeded to understand the concept of the setting up the camera trigger, and then uh, we made it to on the code. We worked on the code with that. And the phase three was that understanding the concept of pi serial, how it would work. And then once we understood that, we then started working on the code for that. And if any of the project references we have used are right here, and that's all we have done. Thank you.
Thank you.